Eddie.
Well, we got...
Oh, yep. I can show the bowling ball quick while we're still on that bowling ball topic.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
if you have a cone that fits and threads onto your spindle, you could use that. I'm a little skeptical sometimes about using aluminum cones because with the mass and the weight of this bowling ball, if you were to get a catch and it came off, it's going to make a mess and it's going to bend your aluminum. So I do it right in my spindle of my lathe. And that spindle has a natural cup to it to the curve of the ball So I take this and I put this directly in that cup and I bring up my live point. And there I have a ball.
Here's a what if. What if you pull the pin out of your tails, your revolving center? That's got a cup on it also.
Yeah, you could also use a cup on here as well. This cup. Never really used it. I've always got it balanced this way. But you can also use this cup.
Or turn a wooden one.
But that'll take much more time away from all your fun turning and sanding. So if you have one of these, it's quick and easy and painless, and you're not fussing about making jig. This comes with your revolving center anyways.
Not on my leg.
That is slick. That is really slick.
See? Now
Hey, Doug.
watch how smooth this spins.
And you can use that to put your tenon on.
See? No play at all.
Where were you 2 hours ago, Kate?
You could turn a wooden cup with threads for your headstock side.
Yeah, that's a good idea too.
Yeah, you can do that too.
Yeah, I use the cups that I turn so I can do spears. So the same sort of idea.
You got a cup on your spindle and your live center.
Yep.
And you can also use these if you have these between centers.
Yep.
You could use those.
I've seen those before. I got to convince the wife to buy me
Are those the
More
Carter
tools.
ones?
More tools.
Are those the Carter
Doug,
ones?
you can turn your own.
Yeah, those are
Okay. Yep.
That's who I have their hollowing system. I have the Carter hollowing system, so I'm familiar with them.
I got
And
them.
Don and Rubber Chucky make some spear chuckies also.
You could also use this one for cue balls. You can put that on there like that and use smaller spheres.
Yep.
Right? Or cue balls.
He's got that smaller cone on that one way too. Okay, you got the smaller cone?
Yep. Well, no, I have the smaller pointed cone that Doug had on his live center.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Right here, which is solid at the top. But you could actually make these and thread them with a threading jig and turn a small cup or a hollow on this end too. Because it is aluminum, it's soft metal, it can be turned.
Yeah.
So just buy an extra one, create a threading, and you can turn that into a cup to use either way as well.
You can buy a very similar block of aluminum from most material wholesalers like Granger, MSC.
Whoever's got a dog, mute yourself.
Some dog said hi.
Yeah. But I've turned my own cups for doing spears, and I made them out of aluminum. I purchased off one of those firms, and they work ideally. I hold one in and the jig in a stronghold chuck on one side. The other goes onto my tailstock piece with a 3/4 10 tap that I bought at the hardware store in the corner. And it's all possible. We're going to talk about that a little bit more on Wednesday, August 10th. We do a tips and tricks night. So if you've seen this and you came up with some ideas, just like Kay did just now, we want to see it on August 10th. And it's going to be a tips and tricks night. And I'm looking to see what all you old dogs got hidden up your sleeve. That's it.
That was with the smaller 5-pin ball, but you can also do that same technique with the larger balls that Doug turned it as well.
Yeah.
And it'll perfectly center and mount itself on the lathe.
Great idea. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it.